Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, Sun, hiding behind a tree.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. That big rainstorm of 2019 has came in. I'm getting ready to go over to do the live stream at the compound, but I was going to take you down here and get a before shot of this creek, which really looks like an after shot because the creek's already up. And we're going to go down here and take a look at this creek. It's up almost as high as it was the last video I done of the creek. Not quite as high, but it just now started raining, so it's gonna be super high this time tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. Let's see. Under the bridge downtown. Little red hot chili peppers. Alright, we're under the bridge. We're probably 3 foot from the water on the top of this rock. I'll go over here so I can get a good shot. If you can look, there's 1, 2.5 rows of rock sticking out of the water. 2.5 runs above water. So when we come back down here tomorrow, it's probably going to be a little different. It's supposed to rain all week, so by the end of the week, we'll probably have some. I may be standing in water right here. Just to give you a little shot. There's the little antique bridge abutment, and there's probably 10 feet to this fence. I expect it to get up here to the fence. Got some graffiti work. So this is Bubs coming at you live from the flood of 2019, the second flood this year. We got some water falling from the sky. Creeks are filling up, roads are flooding. Stay tuned for your in-depth coverage of the flood of 2019. Alright guys, here we are at yet another flooded spot here near the dam. I've got all the locks open, letting a lot of water out today. And again, this is just the beginning of this rainstorm that we're supposed to be getting. If you can see, let me pan around here. It's got the dock completely underwater. I don't know how my zoom's going to work on this, but I'm going to try to get over there to the lock. It is violent over there. The rain is coming. The flood you see behind me is just the beginning. If they shut these locks down any bit, the lake's going to fill up, so they have to keep them open and rolling, and it's just going to get worse. I'll probably be standing in water before the end of this episode. So, take a look at the dock. We'll come back tomorrow and get another shot of it and see if those rails go underwater. Stay tuned for in-depth coverage of the 2019 flood, Chattanooga, Tennessee.
The next day.
Back here at the bridge on lunch. I'm gonna show you all these blocks. We only have 2 blocks showing now, so it's rose up just a little bit. But it's still rising. There's so much water flowing in from the creek. It ain't even silly. So by tonight it'll probably be up where I'm standing, because it's supposed to start raining here about 2 o'clock again. So check back in. Here we are back at the dam, guys. They've done an amazing job regulating this water. Alright guys, we're back down here again. It's been a couple of days and the water really hasn't risen as much as I thought it might. But it's flowing a lot faster. They're doing an excellent job regulating it with the dams, because you can see we've got lots of rain and it's still about where it was the first day. So TVA, you're doing your job, regulating the water as best you can.
TVA is powered by people you know.
So we're gonna go over to the dam and get some pictures there and see how fast the water's coming out. They said they were letting go 1.6 million gallons a second. So we're gonna go check that out. Here we are back at the dam, guys. The water is rushing like crazy. They've regulated it so well that it never really got up. Let me take a look, pan around here. It is up out of its normal stream, but nothing like it could have been without the fine work of the TVA crews. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We're going to see if we can find a couple more spots and then head on back to the house where it's nice and warm and dry. Here we are again. Mother Nature took over the sidewalk. You can see where the water was up here at one time and washed all these rocks down onto this sidewalk, which goes down here and makes a turn back and goes down underwater now. So we've got quite a bit of rain, quite a bit of water. It doesn't look as bad since they've regulated it so good. But usually me and the kids will come down here and stand right past those bushes there and fish. It's crazy. Crazy violent waters out here. I thought I could walk down here to the water. This is as close as I could get because the path has been overtaken by a small landslide, I guess you could call it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna see if I can find some more points of interest.